Hello everybody, and today I am going to tell you Mathematica, that means math magic, math fun. So I am going to tell you, some of you perhaps it is known to you, to some 60% of people have known it. See here, I want to tell you the multiplication table for 9. With my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? So 9 1 here. And before this finger there is no finger. And how many fingers after that is 9? That means 9 1 9. So this is 2. 9 2 jar. 9 2 jar. Before this it is 1. And after that it is 8. So 9 2 jar 18. 1 and here it is 8. 18. So 9 3 jar. Before there are 2 and after there are 7. So 27. 2 and after this finger it is 7. 27. 9 4 jar. 3 and after this finger there are 6. 36. 9 5 jar. It is 4, it is 5, 45, 9 6 54, 9 7 63, 9 8 this is 5 6 7, 72, 9 9 this is 8, this is 1, 81, 9 10 this is 9 and after that it is 0, 90. So this is all our 9 table. Clear? Now see here. What is the definition? I am going to tell you some interesting things. Can you tell me the geometrical concept of this one? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the solution of this one? The solution is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root over divided by 2a. And here description d is equal to b square minus 4ac. And in all the books it is written that if d is greater than 0, then distinct roots will be obtained. You will get distinct roots. And if b is equal to 0, then coincident roots. Clear? That means equal roots. And if b is less than 0, then imaginary roots. That means they are not real. Clear? So what is the meaning of this one? In day-to-day life, are you utilizing these things? Are you using these things? Who can tell me? What is the geometrical meaning of these things? Who can tell me? See here. I am going to tell you one thing. This is a circle and here this is a straight line. This is also a straight line. This is also a straight line. This is L1, this is L2, this is L3. Now can you tell me in how many points L1, L2, L3 intersect this circle? Some of you are thinking that it intersects at no points, it intersects at 1 point, it intersects at 2 points. No. All the 3 lines intersect at 2 points. All the lines intersect the circle at 2 points. Clear? 2 real and distinct points. Clear? 2 real and coincident points. And this is the imaginary points. This case is b is less than 0, and this case is b is equal to 0, and this case is b is greater than 0. I will explain it. See here, this one. If we move this line upward, in the upward direction, then it will go like this. See here, here the line is this one, then take it upward slowly, take it upward, then take it, then move it, then move, then move. That means the 2 points P and Q coincide with each other. If we move the line upward, the 2 points come closer to each other. So finally, the 2 points coincident. This is the point, coincident points. That means if the 2 points coincide, then the straight line is said to be tangent to the circle. But some of you are telling that, some teachers are saying that if it touches at one point, then the straight line is said to be tangent. That is a wrong concept. If the straight line intersect at two real and coincident points, then the straight line is said to be tangent. Two real and coincident points. Clear? That means that is the case. I am again telling you, if x square is equal to 0, then what are the roots? Not x is equal to 0, because this is a quadratic equation. So you should get two values. But you are telling that x is equal to 0. There is only one value. So your x is equal to 0, 0. Or you should write x is equal to 0 repeats twice. You should write like this. Or double root. You can tell it as double root. X is equal to 0, double root it is 0. X cube is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0, 0, 0. 3 zeros will be there because it is a cubic equation. Similarly, x minus 2 equal to 0, whole square equal to 0. That means x is equal to 2, 2. Because this is a quadratic equation. So you will get two values, not one value. Is that clear to you? So see here. So these three things are similar to these three things. Is it imaginary? That means it do not intersect. So here, that means it intersects the circle at two imaginary points. Only you will imagine. Oh, it intersects at 2 points. That means it is similar to the case drawing a line on water surface. That means only you have to imagine, oh, there is a line on this water surface. You cannot see it. Only you have to imagine. So here, it intersects at two real and coincident points. In that case, the line is said to be a tangent. And here, the line intersects the circle at two real and coincident, two real and different points, at distinct points. This is the first case, d is greater than 0, and this is the case d is equal to 0, and this is the case d is less than 0. Is that clear to you? So this is mathematics. So you have to go inside it. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.